Danke bafethu, kuneyindaba ezinkulu eziphumayo kuthiwa iBloemfontein Celtics, one of the most iconic South African iyabuya next season yabo. Kuthiwa ke iBloemfontein Celtics izothenga istatus seSuperSport United makuphela isizini. Already ideal ngathi concludile, just they are waiting for isizini ukuthi iphele babone ukuthi iSuperSport maybe ya relegate or kanjani, ngoba iSuperSport this season ifayithela relegation nama playoffs izinto ezinjalo. I think bamele isizini ukuthi iphele and then baya announce ukuthi iBloemfontein Celtics iyabuya ku-PSL. So kuthiwa umuntu involve kuzo zonke lezo zinto uGayton McKenzie, njengoba wathembisa ukuthi ama team afana neBloemfontein Celtics anama history kanje akumelanga lama team lawa afe yabo. So i-CEO yelokhunjani iSuperSport United bayibuzile ngale indaba lezi, and then waye ignore le question le, azange ayivuma azange ayiphike, wathi nje bona kumele ba focus kusizini yamanje nanokuthi isizini izohamba kanjani yabo. Speculations nama reports kuyasho lokuthi ikhona indaba vele lapha serious futhi inkulu indaba ekhona yabo. So khona ucoach ke naye abam interviewile identify, azange avume ukuzi identify, uthi watshelwa nje kuSuperSport United ukuthi next season i-team izobe seyingekho, wena umsebenzi wakho uzobe unganawo next season. So mfethu, this is your last time, your last chance ukuthi ucoach le team le. So ngathi the way izinto ezihamba ngakhona iBloemfontein Celtics iyabuya bafethu, ibuya kakhulu. You know, I think ama fans are excited, nami ngi-excited ukuzwa indaba ezikanje ngoba iBloemfontein Celtics siyazi ukuthi ibhola la likhulu kangakanani. iCity of Bloemfontein, iBloemfontein indawo encane but abantu bakhona passionate ngebhola. Dala ihlwele zase-South Africa zikhala zithi iphi iBloemfontein Celtics ifuna back yabo. So I think these news are big. Umuntu okhiphileke le ndaba lezi uPeter owner ke i-founder yeSoccer Duma, but manje serana iSoccer Beat yabo. Wazi zonke indaba ezenzakala eSouth Africa. If khona umuntu reliable ngempela okhipha indaba ezi-straight eziyiqiniso uPeter bafethu. This is like breaking news, breaking news. Bloemfontein Celtics phunya sele iyabuya bafethu ku-PSL. This is very exciting, I can't wait. Singakhohlwa ukuthi iBloemfontein Celtics iya-produce ama-players amaningi bafethu, amaningi kakhulu yabo. Abo Mathoho babuya khona manje, uThapelo Morena, you know, baningi ayibo angazi ukuthi ngingabala kuze kube kusasa, but ke into engijabulisayo mina ukuthi iBloemfontein Celtics finally iyabuya ku-PSL. So around maybe August September nje kuyobe ise-straight indaba sesazi ukuthi vele indaba yeBloemfontein Celtics ihamba kanjani. Obviously ke makuthengiswa i-team izinto ezinjalo kumele iPSL i-approve ama-new owners wakhona, because ningavumelana ninokuvumelana but iPSL yona ikuphikisa, i-curate yakuPSL ithi no, asifuni ukuthi lo muntu la own i-team ngoba ngeke ayirane kahle inini. Ilento le yenzakalile ku-Royal AM ukuthi i-Royal AM bese sebayithengisile already, but i-curate yakuPSL yanqaba yathi nje i-Royal AM ayithengiswa, ayikho for sale, angeke siyivume le deal le, yabona izinto ezinjalo. So it was very sad to see that, but iBloemfontein Celtics iyabuya. Sikhumbule ukuthi iBloemfontein Celtics ukuhamba kwayo yahamba yathengwa uMamkhize 2021 if I'm not mistaken, lapho nje wayithenga around 45 to 50 million rands iBloemfontein Celtics ke bafethu. But ama-fans since akhala then yabo, since akhala athi le team le bayidinga back ku-South African football is one of the most iconic teams, bayidinga ayibuye, ama-fans ayayithanda. Even namhlanje mawuye stadium uyabona abantu bagqoka ikipa zeBloemfontein Celtics. Ngicabanga ukuthi abantu bazojabula kakhulu, ihlwele zebhola lase-South Africa zizojabula kakhulu ukuzwa le indaba lezi zeBloemfontein Celtics bafethu ukuthi bathenga iSuperSport United. Asikakazi ukuthi bayithenga malini kanjani, but i-doubt ngempela yalomuntu lona i-CEO Matthews, CEO yeSuperSport United, mengafuna uku-answera le question namhlanje ebuzwa, ngibonile ukuthi hayi le indaba yizo ngempela, yabona, yizo ngempela, ziyabuya yabo, yabuya iphunya sele. Ngikhumbula even ebusuku ama-fans wakhona bagcwalisa i-stadium kudlala nabo Kaizer Chiefs acula around. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi ama-fans weBloemfontein Celtics, abantu abalandela iBloemfontein Celtics abathanda ibhola lase-South Africa, wonke umuntu njengamanje u-excited. We can't wait to see iBloemfontein Celtics ibuyile ku-PSL. Danko bafethu.